Hey guys, Gupta here, founder at 10x Coder Kids and an official Guinness record holder for the youngest computer programmer in the world.
Hey guys, I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I am the co-founder of tenniscoderkids.com and today we are here with a very special unboxing.
Today we are gonna be unboxing chocolates from Canada, and these are Guylian chocolates, and I'm really excited to unbox this. We have 6 flavors in this, right? And the flavors are original praline original, milk truffle, coffee, caramel, dark praline, and crunchy biscuit. Alright, so they are very tempting flavors, and let's open this.
Yes, I'm really excited.
Alright, so it's saying just to open here. So let's just tear the paper apart.
Alright.
And look at this. We have so many chocolates in this. These look more like toffees actually.
Exactly, we are not sure if these are chocolates or toffees.
We will have to taste them to tell.
Exactly.
So which chocolate do you have?
I have the original.
I have the crunchy biscuit. Let's try.
Yes.
Alright.
So this is how it looks.
This is how mine looks, the crunchy biscuit.
Alright.
And ooh,
I think these are chocolates.
these are shaped like a seahorse.
Exactly.
These are so cool. Let me have half of yours.
Yeah, sure. It's just
Yeah.
chocolates.
And the
Look
crunchy
how-
biscuit is so good.
Here.
Right, so the crunchy biscuit is a very good chocolate.
Here. This is here. Alright, let's try it. So right now I'm going to eat the original first. They taste very plain and exactly very good.
The crunchy biscuit is very good. Let's try the original. The crunchy biscuit is better. They both are almost the same, just that the crunchy biscuit is crunchy, right?
Yeah. And very little crunchy. So I would say the only difference is that one is crunchy and the other is not. Otherwise, no difference. But absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Now I have stopped eating caramel, so let's have coffee.
Yeah, caramel. You know,
It's unhealthy.
Yes, it's really unhealthy.
Alright, this is the coffee flavor that I have. So let's try the coffee flavor now.
I think it's going to taste bitter.
No. No chocolates taste bitter. It's kind of like white chocolate if you see. It's a white chocolate seahorse.
Yes.
Let's try it.
Oh, so you see inside.
The inside is like coffee, I think.
Yeah. Let's try. Good. Coffee taste. I like that.
Tastes like Starbucks. Not gonna lie. Yeah.
It's like I'm eating a Starbucks coffee.
So if I'm tempted for any Starbucks, I'm gonna have this chocolate. It's so good. Right?
I like this a lot. I could say this is better than the two I already
Yeah.
have.
This is better. The coffee flavor is very good.
9.5 out of 10.
Yeah. Coffee gets 9.5 out of 10. It's just a little too sweet for coffee.
Exactly. And the other two which I ate,
The biscuit is a 9, right? It could be better. And the original is just plain, so it's 8.
For me, both of them are 8.5 and this is 9.5.
Should we try one more? The milk truffle?
Yeah, let's try.
Alright. So let's have the milk truffle.
Yeah, here, have a look. Alright, so let's open this.
Alright.
Here. These are just so tasty.
Alright, so the milk truffle has some contrast in it. So we have white and brown both in this.
Yeah, the original and the crunchy both look the
And
same.
in the inside we have a darker filling, right? So it's truffle.
Yeah, let's see. Oh wow, it's good.
It's like dark chocolate.
Inside, right? And outside, like it's like covered with white chocolate, and inside we are eating dark chocolate.
Yeah. This is the best. It's better than coffee because coffee was a little too sweet. Yeah. This is the best till now. This is a 9.8.
Okay, and for me, can guess a 9
Why?
because I just think because I don't like too much of dark chocolate.
So
I
you
mean,
said it's better than coffee.
No, I did not say. You said.
Oh. But still pretty tasty.
So for me, till now, coffee is the best.
That was the last flavor. We are not trying caramel.
Yeah, caramel. No, it's too unhealthy.
Yeah. Alright. So we tried 4 chocolates out of 6. We had the milk truffle that we tried. We tried the original. We tried the crunchy biscuit. And we tried
We have already tried. And the coffee.
the coffee. Right? So this was it, guys, for the special unboxing. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching our videos.
Bye.